Nike SB is continuing to push beyond its traditional skate lineup, and one of its most unexpected moves yet is bringing back a true basketball classic. Charles Barkley's Air Max 2 CB94 Low is officially being reworked for skateboarding and will join the Nike SB family in early 2026. The skate-ready release is expected to arrive as a 3-pair pack featuring black, metallic gold, and Varsity Red colorways. This move follows Nike SB's recent success with reimagined basketball silhouettes, including the SB Air Jordan 4, along with confirmed SB versions of the Air Trainer 1 and Air Max 95. Together, these releases show Nike's growing interest in adapting iconic hoops designs for modern skate performance. Originally introduced during the NBA's dominant big man era, the Air Max 2 CB94 Low surprisingly fits skate needs quite well. Its booty-style construction, once criticized for being hard to put on, now works in favor of skaters by providing a snug and secure lockdown. This is especially important for control and stability during tricks. Another key detail is the shoe's heel-only Air Max unit. While it offered impact protection on the court, it also allows for improved forefoot board feel, which is a major priority in skateboarding. That balance of cushioning and control makes this model a strong candidate for SB conversion. All 3 colorways are expected to release in early 2026. Official images and full release details should surface in the coming months. Until then, the return of this Barkley classic marks another bold step in Nike SB's evolving creative direction.